Assalamu alaikum. After the great North American eclipse comes a long ring of fire annular solar eclipse that can be seen in some iconic destinations. On October 2, 2024, annular solar eclipse will pass over parts of the Pacific Ocean, southern Chile, and southern Argentina. During an annular solar eclipse, the moon drifts in front of the sun while it's slightly farther from Earth than during a total solar eclipse. So it doesn't completely cover the sun's disk. Instead, it leaves a distant ring of light around the moon, which is why an annular solar eclipse is also known as a ring of fire. Solar eclipse at the point of greatest eclipse in the Pacific. The moon will obscure 93% of the sun's center, creating a ring of fire visible for 7 minutes and 25 seconds. You can keep up with all the solar eclipse action with our live blog. We will also stream the eclipse live on space.com. During an annular solar eclipse, it is never safe to look directly at the sun without solar eclipse glasses. Designed for solar viewing, read our guide on how to observe the sun safely. So ready to go eclipse chasing? Here is everything you need to know about the annular solar eclipse on October 2, 2024 in Chile and Argentina. The October 2 eclipse will be very similar to the annular solar eclipse on October 14, 2023, which was visible across the US, Southwest, Central America, and South America. All solar eclipses occur when a new moon is positioned precisely between Earth and the Sun and casts its shadow on Earth. However, unlike a total solar eclipse, an annular solar eclipse occurs when the moon is slightly farther from the Earth. So even when the disks align from our perspective, the moon's shadow doesn't completely block out to sun's light. Instead, a ring of sunlight is visible around the moon. The eclipse on October 2, 2024 will have an eclipse magnitude of 0.9326 according to eclipsewise.com. That means about 93% of the sun will be blocked by the moon during the eclipse, resulting in an annual Latin 4 ring. The moon will appear 6.4% smaller than average according to Moonblink. The closer the observer is to the center line, the more circular the ring of fire will be and the longer it will last. But experienced eclipse chasers often observe from the edge of the path during an annular solar eclipse to see extended views of Baily's beads fizzing around where the limb of the moon appears to touch the sun. They can be visible for several minutes. The ring of fire will be visibly only within a path of annularity that passes across the Pacific Ocean, southern Chile, and southern Argentina. This area will include the volcanic island of Rapa Nui Easter Island, an iconic travel destination that's famous for the mysterious stone statues called moai, some of which reach 40 feet 12 meter tall and weight 75 tons. The island, which is only 63 square miles, 163 square kilometers, is located to 300 2,300 miles, 3,700 km from the Chilean coast, making it the most isolated inhabited landmass on Earth. Remarkably, it will be the second time a central solar eclipse has been visible from this tiny Pacific island in recent decades, with a total solar eclipse glimpse there on July 11, 2010. The next total and annular eclipses there will be in 2324 and 2345 respectively. A good option would be to position yourself slightly south of a moai at multiple sites to get a view of the ring of fire just above one of the statues. According to the Atlas of Solar Eclipse 2020 to 2045, iconic location will include the platform at Ahu Tongariki, where 15 moai are positioned on 200-foot long 60 ceremonial platform and nearby Rano Paraku. October's Ring of Fire will also be visible from southern Patagonia in Chile and Argentina. The path will be between 165 to 206 mile, 265 to 331 km wide. The October 2024 annular solar eclipse is special for three very different reasons. First, it follows the Great North American Eclipse of April 8. So, interest in solar eclipses should be high, and many eclipses chasers will travel to see it. Second, it is a long eclipse with the ring of fire lasting up to 7 minutes 25 seconds. That's much longer than the 4 minutes 52 seconds possible in the US during the last annular solar eclipse on October 14, 2023. Third, the best place to view this event is a truly iconic destination, Rapa Nui, also called Easter Island. Although a ring of fire eclipse will be visible only from the aforementioned areas of Chile and Argentina, other areas will experience a partial solar eclipse on October 2. These areas include parts of the Pacific Oceans and the southern half of South America. Here is what percentage of eclipse will be seen from major cities. Here is what percentage of eclipses will be seen from major cities and destinations in the partial eclipse zones. Galapagos Island 1%, La Paz, Bolivia 1%, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil 9%, Sao Paulo, Brazil 10%, Buenos Aires, Argentina 42%, Montevideo, Uruguay 42%, Santiago, Chile 44%, Villarrica, Chile 63%, El Cala Fate, Argentina 83, Falkland Island 84, South Georgia Island 76%, Punta Arena, Chile 75%, Ushuaia, Argentina 72%, Elephant Island 56, Port Lockery, Antarctica 44%. This solar eclipse take place in Libra, the seventh zodiac sign on the wheel that aligns with partnerships and commitments. These periods spotlight relationship and often trigger significant union or separations. Among the many astrological aspects affecting October's new moon includes its conjunction with Mercury, which will allow us to find a powerful balance between our mind and emotions. But at the same time, its square with Mars can also inflame emotions and tempers. Venus, the planetary ruler of this lunation, is perfectly trine with Mars and Saturn, meaning it's at an angle of harmony. This means that our personal and professional goals can be reached if we seek to build for the long term. Let's find out some important aspects, astrological aspects of this time. It's important to ground yourself and express gratitude for the energy you have received. Spend a few moments journaling or meditating on what you are thankful for in your life and allow the energy of the solar eclipse to fill you with a sense of peace and balance. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Stay safe, healthy, and protected.